Today's supply chain demands are more challenging than ever. At Brookman Logistics, we are focused on adding value to our clients' supply chain and precious products. We take pride in our performance, so our clients can exceed expectations. Finishing any product like it's being done on your own site, like it's being worked on by your own crew. In search of the perfect European distribution centre, big names choose Brookman Logistics. Each year, we store, handle and modify thousands of machines and parts. Modifications to meet the detailed wishes of our clients' customers. We make sure every machine is perfect, ready to go out and meet its new owner. Operating close to the Belgian and German border, our 3 modal warehouses are positioned within easy reach of major markets, shortening any logistical process. Brookman Logistics could add just what you need: dedication or scale or craftsmanship. We handle with care, we handle swiftly. Brookman Logistics. Global reach with a personal touch.